MS Excel. First of all, we will see what is formula. Formula is the presentation of data and its appearance on a printed page. So today we will learn formatting data in MS Excel, font style, font size, font color, background color, bold, italics, underline and border. First we will learn about the font style. Before applying any formatting, you have to select the range of the cell. There are two ways to select the range of a cell. The first one is click the first cell and drag your mouse cursor and select the range of cell. The second way is click on the first cell, then press shift key and arrow key and select the required range of cell. After selecting the range of cell, in home tab you can find the font group. From here you can click on the font styles, click on the arrow. So many font styles are available, so you can click on any one according to your requirement. The font style has applied. Next is font size. So again, first of all, you have to select the range of the cell, go to the font group, click on the font size, click on the arrow, and you can find so many font points are available. The first point is 8 and it is up to 72 points. So you can select any point according to your requirement. Click on the point and that formatting or font size is applied on your selected range. You can also increase and decrease font size while clicking on these two buttons, increase font size and decrease font size. So if you will increase font size, you can see that font size is increasing. While clicking on the decrease font size, you can see the font size is decreasing. Okay, so next one is font color. Select the range of the cell. In font group, go to the font color button, click on the arrow. You can find so many colors which are available here in the theme color, in standard color. So if the color is not according to your requirement, you can even click on more color and you got some colors, and you can select here any color according to your need. If you want to create your own color scheme, then click on the custom and you can create your own color scheme. Like this, and click on OK button. So the color has applied. Okay, now let's apply the background color. After selecting the range of the cell, in font group go to the fill color button, click on it. Again you have the same dialog box, theme color, standard color, recent color and more color. So you can click any color which you want as your background. Click on the required color and your background has selected. Okay, next is bold. So again, first of all, select the range of the cell. Click on B button, B for bold, or you can apply the shortcut key Control B. So click on it and your text converted into bold. In the same way, we can apply the italics. So click on italic button, or you can press Control or I key from the keyboard and the italic will be applied onto your selected cells. Okay, the next one is underline. Let's see how to apply the underline. Again, first of all, select the range of the cell, go to the underline button, click on it. Now we have two types of underline. The one is the single underline, you can see. The other one is double underline. Okay, the next one is border. Let's see how to apply the border on the selected range of the cell. Again, we will go to the font group, click on the border. Now, different types of borders are available. You can select any one, or you can go to the more borders button. Option is available at the bottom of the menu. Click on it. The dialog box appear. From here you can select line style, line color, or any type of border which you want. For example, I want this and maybe this. And after applying the required border, click on OK button. So now you can see the border has also applied. So this is the font formatting. Hope you learn well and please do practice. Thank you.